Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Keisha. I'm Side Hustle Keisha, and I do videos, weekly videos and tips on ways to make money from home, amazing job opportunities, and cool side hustles. And I need you guys to subscribe. I need you to hit that notification button so every time I upload a new video about making money from home or job opportunities or cool side hustles that you can do, you'll be notified, okay? You guys know that I have a free guide for you. It's a 7 top work from home side hustle. You can click on the link below in the description box. It says 7 top. I'm going to send over to you the 7 top work from home side hustles that you can do. I'm telling you, you can do from the comfort of your home. And I also want to make sure that you guys know that I always bring you opportunities, variety of opportunities. If the skill set, if you don't have that skill set and you have a friend that does, make sure you share, like, comment below, send this over to them so that they can go ahead and be in the know and look at the opportunity and possibly apply for this particular opportunity. Now, listen, this is a great opportunity. If you love to travel and you travel, or you're in a travel business, this is a great opportunity for you. If you have a friend who's in travel business, send this link over to them because this is a great opportunity for anyone who travels a lot or likes to travel or has a side business that they're already traveling. This is another streamline of cash for you. Let me tell you, this opportunity is with Bustle Digital Group. Okay, Bustle Digital Group is looking for a travel writer, Elite Daily. This is a remote editorial elite daily part-time job that you can do from home. Let me tell you a little bit about Elite Daily. They're seeking a part-time travel writer with a background in travel writing and deep passion for seeing, experiencing, and sharing the world to join our team. Applicants should be able to provide an endless stream of airport and travel hacks, have the ability to identify trendy up and coming vacation destinations, and should know where to scout out the best, most exciting and Instagrammable hotels, Airbnbs, and in those locations for readers and like-minded travelers who are exploring solo or in a group. Our millennial readers prioritize experiences over things. They want to know the destinations their favorite influencers are traveling to, where to capture the best content for their feeds, and find ways to immerse themselves in local culture, all while feeling like their best friend is the one who's sharing this insider info with them. Applicants interested in this role should understand our millennial readership, know where to track down affordable travel and how to put together a travel budget. They should also be able to creatively brainstorm new ideas and be comfortable writing about their own travel experiences. This position is part-time remote. It takes place during normal business hours. This position does not include paid travel, okay? So you already got to be somebody who's already traveling. It will work if you are in a travel business that you do maybe on the side already, or you're full-time travel agent and you travel a lot. So requirements are availability to work remotely 3 days a week, Monday through Friday, relevant writing experience on a travel site, and a personal travel blog. So if you already have a blog, listen, a travel blog, this is a no-brainer for you. Experience in writing personal narratives, ability to build and maintain a list of excerpts, social media influencers, and original sources for articles, a passion for delivering everything there is to know about travel, like-minded millennials, okay, an ability to remain flexible while meeting deadlines, a deep understanding of and experience with traveling the world as a millennial, ability to discover and identify a variety of trending travel topics to create clever, authentic angles, clean copy with minimal edits, SEO experience, responsibilities to be able to turn around 3 articles per day in a timely manner, pitch 5 to 10 fresh original angles, and incorporate original imagery when necessary. Keep track of travel trends surrounding major holidays and seasonal travel. Bustle Digital, BDG, is one of today's leading global media companies with a portfolio of distinct digital and experimental brands that are shaping culture. Over 82 million readers turn to our brands, Bustle, Elite Daily, Flavor Pill Media, Inverse, Mike, Nylon, Romper, The Outline, The Zoe Report, to hear from a set of diverse voices around these issues and interests engaging the next generation. BDG is headquartered in New York City with offices in Chicago, Los Angeles, and London. So if you have a background in travel, you're traveling now, you already have a travel business, or you already have a blog, listen, this is so perfect for you. If you're already blogging, you can make some extra money writing about what's probably already on your blog. Makes sense to me. Listen, make sure you guys go over to Side Hustle Keisha on Facebook. I'm also Side Hustle Keisha on Instagram. And you guys come over here and get this content, these links for opportunities, this inspiration, all these job leads. And every time I upload a video, I also post it to Facebook, my Facebook Side Hustle Keisha page, so that you guys are in the know and kept in the know every time I upload a video. You guys make sure that you are following me at Side Hustle Keisha on Instagram and Facebook, as well as make sure you subscribe and hit the notification button. You guys know I share opportunities for you, that you can find something to do from home, that you can find an extra streamline of cash, that you can find maybe a new career move. Maybe you're a mom and you don't want to commute to work and spend all the time on the freeway. You want to spend more time with your family, so you're looking to transition to working from home. I upload and do videos and share links of opportunities where you can still work for corporate America from home. There's a lot of work from home remote opportunities available to you, and I'll bring them to you on a weekly basis. Okay, you guys have a great time looking at my page on Facebook and Instagram, and drop me a comment below. Tell me what you think. If you've tried some of these opportunities, if you apply for some of these opportunities, make sure you let me know how it goes. We want to hear from you. Make sure that you know that I have several free things for you below in the description box. There is a link to this opportunity, which is this job. It's not connected with me. It's just the one I'm sharing with you today. But I also have a free guide, 7 Top Work From Home Side Hustle Guide. It's free to you. I also let you know about my #1 recommendation for making passive income. If you want to make that money while you're on vacation, while you're at your other job, when you wake up in the morning, you have notifications that you made $200, $500, or $1,000. Check out my #1 recommendation for making money online. Okay, see you guys in my next video. Have a great night. Bye bye.